Yeah, we got through with this thing. We thought about a nickname for it, and just fun kept coming to me, and that's what it is. It's a lot of fun to drive. So Hi, I'm Will Hobgood from Winnsboro, South Carolina. This is a 1937 Ford. Started on this car about 6.5 years ago. It took me about 6 years to build it. I've had it going about 6 months to 8 months now, and it was a kit I bought, but I modified it highly. It's kind of a one-off. It's got a LS3 525 horse crate GM performance engine in it with a TCI 6-speed fully programmable transmission and a Heights independent rear suspension with wildwood brakes. It's something I seen on my classic cars about 6 years ago. And I told my wife, I said, when I get through racing, I used to do a lot of stock car racing. I told her when I get through with racing, I'm gonna get one of them, and that's what I did. And my son helped me with this car. He helped me build some of the molds for it, and we've worked on it in my garage, in my backyard. And this ain't my first hot rod, but I had a 57 back when I was in high school, and I put a 409 in it with 2 forwards and had a lot of fun with it. And over the years, after I got through racing, I decided that I wanted to build something to have fun with, and this is what it is. This is what I built. My son told me, he says, when you get this thing, you need to at least show it for a year or two before you drive it. And that's what we're doing now. We're just trying to show it off a little bit and see what we was able to come up with and build. And I hope I can just get out and enjoy it a little bit. I hope I live long enough, to get out and enjoy it. And then I want to hand it down to my kids and let them enjoy it.